Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we're going to have a look at this cordless vacuum cleaner from Absorb. I got this from Amazon. From my research it's one of the best one you can get because it's got 9000 PA or 9 kPa. That's the how much suction it has. So for a cordless battery powered vacuum cleaner it's really a lot. Hopefully it's as good as they say. This is the box for it, nothing special. So cordless handheld vacuum, 9000 PA, AB101, keep it simple, keep it clean. And right here it says that it uses 7.4 volts battery and it's rechargeable. I think they have the wire model as well, but obviously rechargeable one battery it's way more convenient because you don't have to actually deal with the wire and everything. And let's take it out of the box and see what accessories we get and how it looks. Okay guys, so the box is open. Let me show you what you get. So first of all we got one of the extensions for the vacuum cleaner. This is the extension tube, you know, so you can get to those hard to reach places. Another extension that I think you'll plug in here. This is a brush, so you can brush off the dirt and stuff. This might be an extension, I'm not sure what it is yet. Oh yeah, it's another type of extension that you can use with the hose. I think you put it in the end, at the end of the hose. And same again, you should get to some places that are hard to get. We get the charger, so it's USB to, not sure what it is, but it's USB, so you can charge it from your car or a power bank or something like that. We get a filter. They say it works for wet and dry, so you can get wet stuff, vacuum wet stuff, like I don't know, some spillage, something like that, and they should keep it from going to the motor itself and frying it up, so it's quite clever. Warranty and instruction manual. We get the handheld itself, the vacuum, and we get Absorb carry bag, which is quite nice, so you can put all the accessories in this bag. Okay, let's take this out of its bag and let's see how it looks. Actually it looks quite good. I'm impressed by the design. It's really tiny, it's lightweight. I think the battery is already attached to it. I'm not sure if I can turn it on because I have to remove the sticker, but let me show you guys how it looks. Oh, so it comes already with a filter pre-installed, and all you'd have to do is just replace it with this spare filter at some point. But for now it looks decent, it looks quite good. It's very lightweight, design is really simple. I think it's here up and down and that's it. And yeah, you charge it from here. Not sure if you guys can see, so you plug that cable into here and it will charge up. They say it will charge up in 3 hours. I think this is this cap, if you rotate it, it will be removed so you can get the contents out. It's got the flaps inside so the dirt won't come out. I think all the dirt that you get is gonna be accumulated in this tiny dustbin like compartment. And yeah, let me try take out the tape and I'm gonna show you guys how loud it is and if it can clean something. Okay guys, so the tape is off. There's not actually a slide button, it's just a cover to protect it during transit. I have attached the long tube and brush to it, and let's turn it on. It's not that bad, it's not very quiet, but it's not loud either, considering how small it is, and the fact they claim it's 9 kPa should be good enough. Let's see if I can find some dirt in my room. Like we have something here, have a little bit of white stuff there. Okay, let's see how this handles it. Okay, that's not dirt, it's actually a stain, so that won't come out with the hoover. Have a little bit more dirt there. Okay, so it's not really that bad. It works good enough. I think you can clean your keyboard, your mouse and stuff with it, but it's mainly to use in my car, just so I don't have to bring the big Samsung Hoover all around with me, all the time with me, and it's massive, you don't really have space. This one, compared to my hand, really tiny. Again, you can take this attachment off, fairly simple, just slide it out. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. Then it will look something like this. Of course, you put everything in the carry bag and you don't have to worry about storage. You can leave it in the boot or something. And yeah, it's pretty decent. It does the job. I'm impressed. Of course, I didn't have dirt or like heavy mud and stuff in my room, but the small stuff that I had, it took them quite easily with no problem. And yeah, pretty much that's it. It's a great tiny portable vacuum cleaner. Again, the brand is Absorb and the model is AB101. I will put the link into the description below if you guys want to check it out. Right now it's on offer. I think it's about 20 quid, so it's definitely a steal because yeah, it's with Amazon Prime as well, so if you don't like it you can return it, or anything is wrong you can speak to them directly and they will help you out. You can also, I think you can buy spare filters in the futures if you need, so always handy to have some. They give you one already, which is nice. And yeah, overall I will recommend it. It's great, it's cheap, it does the job. Comes with a bag and accessories, spare filter, everything you need. Find the link in the description below, and thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next one.